Most creators are paying for Suno AI without realizing it can't solve one of the biggest problems that YouTube creators are facing: finding background music that actually fits their videos. They spend hours searching through YouTube's audio library, listening to track after track, only to end up using something that doesn't really fit their video. And if you're already using Suno AI, you'll quickly run into another problem. Suno is great at generating songs, but YouTube creators don't usually need songs for their videos. They need background music, music that supports the voiceover instead of competing with it, music that matches the channel, the audience, and the type of content being created. On top of that, many creators are paying monthly subscriptions just to get commercial usage rights. But what if you could generate channel-specific background music for free, with no music knowledge, no guessing, and no endless searching? In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to automatically analyze your channel, generate the exact music style your content needs, create custom background tracks on demand, and even verify whether they're safe to use on YouTube. And at the end, I'll show you how some creators are turning this exact idea into channels that generate thousands of views using nothing but background music. A lot of creators simply grab random music and place it behind their video voiceover. The problem is that many of those music tracks contain vocals, which end up competing with the narration instead of supporting it. What we really want is background music that creates the right mood, without distracting viewers from the message. Which is why today, we're going to use Treblo AI to generate custom background music designed specifically for the type of content you're making. And later, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to automate the entire process, so you don't have to guess what kind of music your channel needs. But first, let's create our first background track. Open your browser, search for Treblo AI, and click on the first result with this logo. It will take you straight to this page. Once you're here, click on Create to start a new project. Most users come here to create songs, but we're creating background music. The goal isn't to grab attention, it's to support your content while you speak. Inside the Create page, make sure you're in Simple mode. Here, you'll describe the type of music you want. For an AI or technology channel, you could use something like, create a modern, polished electronic instrumental that feels innovative, motivating, and professional while supporting continuous narration. Notice that we're describing a mood rather than using complicated music terminology. Don't worry if you don't know what to put here. Later in this video, I'm going to give you a master prompt that will handle everything for you. Once your description is ready, switch to Advanced mode. The most important setting here is lyrics. You'll see options like auto lyrics, custom lyrics, and no lyrics. Since we're creating background music for narrated videos, select no lyrics. This prevents vocals from competing with your voiceover. Next, look at the sound tags section. Sound tags give Treblo more precise instructions about how the music should feel. They define the personality of the track and have a major impact on the final result. For example, a technology channel might use tags that feel modern, clean, innovative, and professional. A travel or gaming channel would use something completely different. Paste your chosen tags, then click Generate. Treblo will typically create two versions for you. And like I said, don't worry about what tags to use. I'll show you that later. As you can see, they're both ready. Let's listen to the first one. Wow, that sounds amazing, and it's a great fit for an AI or tech channel. Listen to both versions, choose the one you prefer, and download it. Now we have a working track. But what if you don't know which mood, tags, or descriptions fit your channel? That's where ChatGPT can automate the entire process. Let's remove the guesswork. Most creators know what type of videos they make, but they don't know how to translate that into music instructions. That's why I created this workflow. Check the first comment below this video. You'll find the master prompt link there. Click it and open it. You'll find two prompts inside. Start by copying prompt number 1. Then, open a new chat in ChatGPT and paste that prompt. Before you hit send, go to the YouTube channel you want to create background music for. Open the Videos tab and make sure the channel name and recent uploads are visible. take a screenshot of the page. After that, copy the channel link. Now go back to ChatGPT. Paste the channel link into prompt number 1, then upload the channel screenshot and send it. Instead of guessing, ChatGPT will give you a detailed breakdown, including the niche, target audience, voiceover style, ideal music mood, and content description. This step is important because the quality of the music recommendations depends on how accurately the channel is understood. And once we have that channel profile, turning it into custom background music becomes much easier. Now let's turn that analysis into music. Return to the master prompt and copy prompt number 2. Go back to ChatGPT and paste it. But before you hit send, scroll back to the results from prompt number 1 and copy the content description that ChatGPT generated. Paste it into prompt number 2 and send it. A few moments later, ChatGPT will generate everything we need, including a recommendation on whether to use lyrics, Treblo sound tags, backup tags, and a complete sound description tailored to that specific channel. For my own channel, ChatGPT recommended no lyrics because the videos rely heavily on narration. More importantly, it generated the exact sound tags and sound description needed to match the content style. First, copy the sound description and return to Treblo. Paste the generated sound description into the simple mode prompt box. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the Treblo sound tags. Then return to Treblo and make sure the sound description is still in the simple mode prompt box. Next, switch to advanced mode and paste the generated sound tags into the sound tags section. The sound description provides the overall direction. The sound tags define how that direction should sound. Next, select No Lyrics and click Generate. Instead of creating a generic track, Treblo is now creating music based on a detailed analysis of the channel's content, audience, and style. The generation is now finished. Let's listen to the result. That's actually amazing. It sounds great. Choose the version that fits your channel best, then download it. If the first result isn't perfect, don't assume the system failed. Small changes to the tags or description can produce very different results. At this point, you've moved from guessing to creating music intentionally designed around a specific channel. But one important question remains. Can this music actually be used safely on YouTube? Let's find out. Creating great background music is useful, but only if you can confidently use it without worrying about copyright problems. So instead of guessing, we'll run a simple test. I'll open CapCut, add a basic visual, place the generated music you downloaded, and export it as a video. The goal isn't to make a great video, it's simply to test the music. Once the export is complete, upload the video to YouTube and allow the platform to finish its copyright checks. After processing is complete, check the copyright section. In this example, the video shows no copyright claim, no warning, and no restriction. The music passes the test successfully. This is one reason I like this workflow. Instead of spending hours searching through music libraries and wondering whether a track is safe, you can generate music tailored to your channel and verify it with a simple upload test. Of course, you should always review the platform's current licensing terms before using AI-generated content commercially. But based on this test, the music passed YouTube's copyright check without issues. Now we know we can generate channel-specific music and verify it before using it in real projects. And once you have those two pieces in place, another opportunity starts to appear. Let's talk about that next. Now that we've proven the workflow works, let's talk about how you can monetize it and start making money with this process. Go to YouTube and search for phrases like "no copyright background music" or "copyright-free background music." You'll find channels built entirely around background tracks, and many of them receive thousands or even millions of views. The videos themselves are often simple. The value comes from the music. Instead of uploading random tracks, you could create music for specific audiences, such as AI creators, business channels, documentary creators, productivity channels, or gaming content. Because you're using channel-focused prompts and sound tags, you can create tracks designed for a specific type of creator, rather than trying to serve everyone. Whether you use this workflow for your own videos or build a music-focused channel, You now have a repeatable system for creating custom background music on demand. And I have a question for you. Would you like to see a complete tutorial showing how to build a YouTube channel around this idea from start to finish? If you would, let me know in the comments by typing yes. And if you found this video useful, I'd appreciate a like and a comment below. Those small actions help the video reach more creators who can benefit from this workflow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.